What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. Gonna go over Solana. Currently we're sitting at 139. We're down 3.5 on the day. Seeing a market cap 65.2 billion, 24-hour volume 3.24 billion. So we're pulling back. This is what we're looking for, a 5-wave move up in a wave 1. Now we're going through a wave 2 pullback. So I would expect a bounce in between 121 and 137 if the 78.6% fib breaks, clear break. That becomes bearish and you could put in a lower low, but as of right now we have a nice 5-wave impulse. Currently going through a correction, so I think a decent chance we bounce off 137 or the golden ratio at 130. Could offer a nice long opportunity with a push back to the upside. The really bearish scenario we're watching here on the daily is this triple top. If that neckline breaks at 120, then you could see a large bearish move back to the downside. But as of right now on the shorter time frame, beautiful impulse. So look for a reaction from the zone. Could offer a nice long opportunity to push back to the upside, break the bullish level at 163. That's more confirmation. All right, gang, my trading group is completely free, includes my daily crypto analysis, as well as Forex trade signals. We have almost 3,000 members in the group. Click the top Discord link down below. Make sure to sign up to BITUNIX, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. My subscribers only get 10% back on their fees on every single trade when they sign up through my link, top of the comments. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.